Good morning, everybody. Well, afternoon now. Out here at the ranch. I moved, with the help of my son Stoney, this couch out here to the front yard. There's Lorraine. What's that in your hand?
Rat shit.
Oh, lovely. Oh, yeah, I could have gone further. So we're getting all the dead furniture out.
Yeah, I just found a nickel.
Hey, I found a nickel. 5 cents richer. Hey.
Okay, not on me.
Tinkerbell. Why, Tinkerbell? Oh, she's a good girl.
Either the wind blew the door open, and this was hanging
Okay.
like this.
Okay. That's probably the wind. I'll rig it up better this time, next time.
You didn't bring the...
You didn't ask. Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
Yo, you talked to Matthew, not me.
I said, don't forget to bring the doormat stuff.
All right. So, as we move along and make improvements here and there. Oh yeah, the pit trap. Watch out for the pit trap. We're still faced with the daunting task of clearing out this bedroom. Oh, it is a daunting task. We're not doing this today. But it's going to happen soon. And then back here, if I understand correctly, the toilet is still usable. Oh, I remember installing the bathtub. It seems to be missing a few things now. Like spigots. I wonder where they went to. Uh-oh. There's a patch of floor that needs replacing. Oh, I remember those drawers. Oh. Crazy. A little shower head. Some stuff. A hole in the floor. It's supposed to be there. This looks intact. Yeah. So, definitely got to fix this floor right here. So, these are still good. They need to be cleaned up. That's got to go. All that's going. All this is going. It's all going to the dump. To the dump, to the dump, to the dump. Oh, terrible, terrible. Reptiles. Yeah, that's where they ripped out the plumbing. You see that? Yeah. I have to replace all that. Learn how to have to pick up a book on basic plumbing just to get things running again. So this desk is going. I think my uncle wants this. Shh. That's a gas pipe. Yeah, so there we are. Cleared out that. I think that's got to go, or clean it up or something.
Clean it up and make shelves on it.
Well, clean it up and make shelves on it. Get a wood-burning stove. Wood-burning stove to stuff right in that corner. Put an air conditioner right in that window. Oh my goodness. And if we go back this direction, we shall see. Do that. This room, weak spot on the floor right here. weak spot. This room, aside from needing wiring, the ceiling's intact, walls are intact. Needs a window right here. I remember these. Darn it, I was expecting a possum to hiss at me. Hey, look, there's hangers in there. There's a mop. More electronics. Okay, so we have a camping toilet, another photography dealy whopper, broken windows, smashed wall. That window's intact, but it has a bird nest in it. Does not have a tub, but it does have a composting toilet. How strange is that? And the floor looks intact, so there we go. Let's...
Oh, God damn it!
What did you do? You fell to the floor.
Stop screaming. Yes, you found a weak spot in the floor. That's why you gotta walk carefully.
I'm hurt.
That's why we're putting down 3/4 inch plywood.
I'm sorry you're hurt. Go have a seat.
You okay?
Moving on. So this
Sit down.
ceiling has fallen, which means there's a leak up there, which I need to find and fix. It needs windows. All this needs to be thrown out, trashed. I think that bed frame could probably be salvaged. But everything else has got to go. Boy.
This leg got messed up.
Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Okay, so there's the new pit trap. Matthew.
Oh, it got twisted.
Here's the new pit trap that Matthew found. Watch your step. Ah, what's this? Hubs and axles. I know someone who's going to want those. There's a door. Probably put it in the back. I put those there. See, weak spot right there. Gotta be careful. All right, so that's the current walkthrough. Sorry about your leg nut. Just, you know what? That spot over by the back door caught my Uncle Ron. He stepped through it and about busted his leg. And that is one hot Tinkerbell. And if you like, hit like, subscribe, and see you all later.